Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Grove Collaborative. It's been a while since I've done one of these on my channel, but this is a company where you can set up monthly subscription services of all sorts of household products. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what I ordered. They have all sorts of brands, a lot of really good natural brands. And when I put a order, it said I got a free gift. So the free gift is here right on top. This is a bamboo cutting board. So pretty nice. And it has their little Grove Collaborative logo at the bottom. So I got that. And this next item is kind of funny. I actually got this for Jackson. He's been doing chores lately to earn money because the poor kid, his birthday and Christmas are within a month. So the rest of the year, if anything comes out or there's anything he wants to collect, he can't because he doesn't have a birthday coming up. So he does chores, and one of his chores to earn money is dusting. So I got him this little microfiber duster. It says it's flexible, it's ideal for bookshelves, baseboards, ceiling fans, and this part comes off, and it says it's bendable, which is nice. This part comes off, and then of course you can wash it, but I did get an extra head for it as well. Super soft. And he's actually super excited for this as well, which is funny. You would not have caught me as a child excited to clean, but I did like earning money as a kid, so maybe you would have. And then I got a bunch of cleaning products. So I got 7th Generation. This is their natural laundry stain remover. Between him and Raylan, I go through a lot of this kind of stuff, so I thought I'd get some of that. Their prices on their website are pretty reasonable as well. I think shipping's only like $2.99, so very, very cheap in my opinion. Another 7th Generation. This is their disinfectant wipes. Again, use a ton of those. I do like using kind of like the natural ones. Especially when I have the tiny ones around that put everything in their mouth. So this is really cool to have that. I did not realize this was so huge. This is the Method 4 times concentrated laundry detergent. So I got a sample of this in one of my Target beauty boxes quite a while ago, and I really liked it. So I got the free and clear because we do have sensitive skin. So I got that. This is huge. How much is this? 53.5 fluid ounces. So pretty big. Also got Method dish soap. Honey Crisp Apple. Bet that smells really good. It's got the little pump on it. And last time I ordered, I also got one of these. This is some apple cider vinegar. I was introduced to this brand specifically a couple years ago from a coworker who swore by this stuff. She said that whenever she's sick or feels a cold coming on, she drinks some of this. It's very strong. I do dilute mine with water because if you could take a shot of that and live, then you're amazing. But no, I can't. So I have to dilute mine with water. But yeah, it clears my sinuses really well. Anytime I'm sick, I feel better. I really believe in it. It has all sorts of health benefits. You can look online. This is the specific brand with the mother. That's the stuff that really helps you. You can buy this at grocery stores and Target, but it's a pretty good price, so I just picked some up on there. So the last item that I got, you could actually buy diapers and wipes and even like kids medication and stuff on there. Of course, the natural stuff, but they have like so much stuff on their website. Food containers, I could just go on and on. So I did get some diapers for Miss Raylan. These have little animal designs on it. It looks like little cats on it. So I got some of that. So that is what came in my shipment. I'll put a link below if you guys want to check out their website and see what all they have. If you use my link and you spend or make a $20 purchase, you get a free cleaning set by Miss Meyers. So I'll link all that information below. But these do reoccur, so you can go online and see when you're scheduled to have your next stuff shipped, and you could actually turn it off or keep pausing it, which is what I do. That way you don't get stuff sent to you when you don't want it. So always make sure to go online and do that when you sign up for those subscriptions. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.